Hey fam, what's good? What's good? I hope that you're all well and keeping safe. I hope that you all had an amazing day. Welcome back to another one. Today, I'll find myself showing you guys how you can find yourself calculating your pups on XM. Not only showing you how to do it, but why you should be knowing these things. Also, if you are looking for a trusted and regulated brokerage, or you simply just don't know how to calculate your pups with the brokerage which you are using, XM will be your brokerage. The link will be in my description. Find yourself clicking on the link, sign up and claim your bonus today and find yourself trading. Without wasting no time, let's get into this beautiful session. Let's get it. Okay, so first things first, you know what? Make sure you have a strategy which is covering the following: your entry, stop loss, and your take profit area. So why is it important for you to know the following? It's important for you to know it because, as you guys can see with the content which I'm uploading on my YouTube channel, you can see that I already know when I'm gonna find myself executing price, where I want to take price, and where my stop loss area would be. Even with the content I'm gonna find myself uploading after this one, make sure you go have a look at it, right? It was basically today's trade, take profit was hit. So find yourself watching it, right? After you have calculated your trade, as I made mention above, you can now focus on calculating your pups. So what am I basically trying to say with this actual statement, right? Now, with me saying this, I'm simply saying it's important for you to know where you are inside the market in terms of your entry, stop loss, and take profit area, right? With you knowing this, you have more confidence inside your trading. With you not knowing these things, right, this will simply lead to disappointment, heartbreak. You know what? The worst case scenario, you finding yourself blowing your account, right? You finding yourself going blindfold inside the market, not knowing where you are. And that is why the 90% of traders fall out of this actual industry, because they are going blindfolded inside the market, not knowing how to calculate their pups. Now, why is it important for you to find yourself knowing these things? Simply so that you can have peace of mind, right? Peace of mind, that is literally the one thing you need inside your trading journey. Now, with us basically covering these lovely topics, let's tap into how you're gonna find yourself calculating your pups on this beautiful brokerage XM. Reading the heading, always make sure you round off your pups to 2 decimals. Diego, what do you mean by rounding off your pups to 2 decimals, right? We're gonna find ourselves covering an actual ZAR account, then we're gonna find ourselves covering a US account. Now, before tapping into this, I just want you guys to know that your pups is basically calculated in US dollars. Okay, so it is much quicker for you to find yourself calculating your pups on a US account than an actual ZAR account. So first things first, let's look at a ZAR account. Let's get it. Risking 30 pups. I will find myself uploading a beautiful screenshot inside this area so that you can see how it will basically look like on your trading view. Okay, risking 30 pups. You can see that, you know what, the template will show that you are risking 30.0 pups. Right now, once again, let's read the heading. Always make sure you round off your pups to 2 decimals. Right, currently you guys can see we only have 1 decimal, right? And what are we gonna find ourselves doing next? Next, we're gonna find ourselves literally just take the 0, place it over your comma, right, so that you can see you have 2 decimals, right? So with you basically having 2 decimals, this simply means that you are now risking $3. So obviously you are using a ZAR account, so you need to find yourself converting that $3 into ZAR. So how are you gonna find yourself doing just that? All you're gonna find yourself doing is literally just take your $3, multiply it with the exchange rate to what the dollar is trading against the ZAR, right? Currently, we are trading around about 19 rands, right? $1 is equivalent to 19 rands. So all you're gonna find yourself doing is multiply your $3 with 19, and you are gonna come out by this beautiful number right here, 57 rands, right? So this simply means that you are now risking 57 rands on your account, right? It is super important for you to know how much you are risking on a account. Now, with us covering the risk, let's get into the profit area as well. Okay, so with you risking 30 pips, you are willing to gain 60 pips, making this a 1-to-2 ratio, giving you a positive win to reward ratio, right? So once again, can you guys see that we only have one decimal, right? So we are going to find ourselves taking the 0, place it over, and the following would literally be what you are going to see, right? 6.00. So you are seeing $6. Once again, basic math. We are going to find ourselves multiplying the $6 with the exchange rate we are currently trading against the US. Okay, so that will literally be you taking the $6, multiplying it with 19, and you are going to come out at this lovely number, 114 rand, right? So you are risking 57 rand to gain 114 rand on this beautiful trade, which you are finding yourself looking at. So now, with you knowing how to calculate your actual trades, right, before you're gonna find yourself executing price, you already know where you are inside the market, right? You already know where you're gonna place your entry, stop loss, and your take profit area. The only thing you are now gonna find yourself doing is literally just play with your lot size, obviously to accommodate the appropriate lot size that is going hand in hand with your account balance. Okay, look at it like this. If you are always risking 30 pips on a trade, right, it is so much quicker for you to find yourself calculating your actual lot size which you're going to use, and it is so much quicker for you to understand or have some peace of mind how much you are risking on a trade and how much you are gaining on a trade. So that is how you're going to find yourself calculating your pips on a ZAR account. Now let's look at a US dollar account. Using an US account, 100.0 pips, right? Can you see we only have one decimal? So all you're going to find yourself is take the 0, place it over, and what you're going to see is 10.00, and you are obviously looking at $10 which you are risking on this beautiful trades which you are finding yourself having, right? So with you basically risking 100 pips, right, your profit area will basically be 200 pips, securing a 1-to-2 ratio. Okay, so can you guys see, once again, we do not have two decimals. Take your 0, place it over, and you're gonna find yourself having 20.00, and this simply means that this is $20. Okay, please do take note that these calculations are based on a 0.10 lot size. So with you using a 0.10 lot size, this is simply the smallest lot size you're going to find yourself having on this beautiful brokerage XM. Like I made mention, with you already knowing where you want to be inside the market, your execution, take profit in SR area, right? It is so much easier for you to find yourself calculating your pips and knowing how much you are risking and knowing how much you are willing to profit on an actual trade, which will literally give you peace of mind. This is literally my golden nugget, which is saving me inside my actual trading journey till this day, knowing how to calculate, knowing how much to risk, knowing where I want to take price into, and knowing where I might be wrong, basically where my stop loss area would be. Once again, I'm gonna find myself uploading the trade I found myself taking over the course of the day as well. So I hope you guys is gonna enjoy it, and if you find yourself gaining any knowledge from this, tap into that actual comment section and leave a comment. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure to share this content so that we can find ourselves building up our actual reputation when it comes down to that YouTube algorithm. Much love to you guys. I'm wishing you all the best. A happy trading for you. It's me, your boy D. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I'm out.